guys, I'm Varun. So the recipe that we're doing today is probably the definition of winters in one dish. Yes, I'm talking about apple crumble. Apple crumble is absolutely synonymous to winters. It's just the comfort of this dish that is absolutely appealing to people of all ages, and that is why I decided to do a variation of that classic dessert by plating it up as individual muffins. We're gonna have a sweet biscuit base that's gonna have a chewy molten center of stewed apples with a hint of cinnamon in it, and then it is garnished or topped with a crumble that is made with homemade granola that it is baked into like individual muffins so that everyone can pick one up and eat it on the go. Or you can just have a nice plated dessert with a scoop of vanilla ice cream on top. It just works absolutely perfectly. So let's check out this recipe.